Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stocks Navigator. Today I'm going to show you how to use a sushi jack to catch 387 pounds of tuna. So what's a sushi jack? This is the proprietary chart from Stocks Navigator. People have many ways to analyze the chart by using a candlestick, a bar chart. So this is one of the charts that we'll be able to put it into the color code so that we can tell you what is the current state of the market when you are in, so that you'll be able to tell that are you in the bull side, are you the bear side, or when the market turn around, you'll be able to take a trade and you'll be in the right side, you can have a high probability of winning. So by using this chart, we'll be able to build up a scanner so that we can see, doesn't matter what time frame are you using, you can see it, are you in the bear or semi-bear or in the bull, or you are in the really bear market at that particular moment. So I look at this chart, I look at, let's say I have a list of stock here, and I look at one stock here, for example, the ticker symbol is AI. So on January 17, 2023, this stock gave me a buy signal, return from bear to bull. And what I did is I jumped in and then I bought 20 contract option, and this of buying 2,000 share of this stock. It only cost me $2.25, and then on February 2nd I sold it for $11. So that give me the net profit about $17,473. So that's a 387% gain, less than 2 weeks. So as you can see that the chart will help me to identify the stock that are ready to turn from bear to bull side, so that we can jump in and buy and make money. And let me look into the detail this chart at how we trade. Okay, so this chart here, as you can see here, this stock they come out IPO somewhere around 2020, December 2020. They put it back up and they put back down. They come right back up into the sell zone. They could make a new high, so the top fell, go to the downside. As you know that the market it cannot go up forever, cannot go down forever. They go by waves like the ocean. That they have a small wave, they make a bigger wave. The bigger wave will make a tsunami. So this stock, after they fell down, they have a five-way pattern down to the downside. And then after the end of 2022, and then from January, this stock will be able to turn around. They break out a downtrend line, and then the sushi chart give me the buy signal, and then I follow the momentum. They tell me that the people ready to jump in, and then institution as well as the investor, they pull the money into this stock, and then they start turning back up to the upside. So I bought it on January 17 and we hit to the first level resistance. I take profit. So as you can see, the sushi chart will help me to identify where you're supposed to get in and where you're supposed to take profit. Because if you buy and hold, that's different. But if you trade option, then you need to know when you're supposed to buy and hold. So as you can see, it cost me only $4,513. Okay, and I sold it for $21,986. The net profit is $17,483. So in terms of percentage gain, it's more than $387 gain. It's less than 2 weeks. So that's how I'm using a sushi jack to catch the 387 pounds of tuna, as you can see that. Alright, so I hope that you can learn and how to trade, so that will keep you in the right side of the market. As you know that the stock market is a very, very dangerous place. If you don't know what to do, it can kill you and wipe out your account. So poor risk management, fear and greed are the reason why 90% of the new trader and investor fail in the stock market. So in the expert trader course we offer by Stocks Navigator, we teach you the right education so that can fit your trading objective to be a successful trader or investor. We provide technical advanced training program and with our proprietary tool to keep you in the right side of the market. We have a live 24-hour community trading. A lot of senior members, they support the new member also. And we have a daylight training and a mentor section every single day. So we train, mentor, and empower our students to operate 100% independently to navigate the market with the confidence. So take the next step towards the taking control of your financial future. So you can watch the free webinar following the link right below. I hope that you enjoy our quick preview that how you can using a Sushi chart. And if you are a member of Stocks Navigator, you'll be able to access to the scanner and the chart so that you can scan for the stock that are ready to break out so that you can trade. Okay, so if you like this video more in the future, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, everyone.